how to find and replace in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Excel and then now suppose you accidentally put the wrong name. Suppose like I've kept red here, but all the reds should be yellow. So if I made mistake here, then I cannot go to the data one by one and change the red to yellow. There is an easy step. You can just tap on Control F and then find what? Type red. Now you will see replace option right here, and then you can replace it with yellow and then tap on replace all. And then there you go. All the red have been changed into yellow. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.